Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I was actually not sitting at my computer. I was trying to set up my computer because I'm always a little bit late. So that's why I figured out the timer can help me a little bit. So good morning, Kenny, AV, Crypto Panda. I'm always a little late to my computer. So I figured out a timer can help me until I load the charts and everything, because I'm always a few minutes behind myself. But I'm here. I'm here. All right. What's happening? What's happening, everyone? Hopefully. Robert, good morning. Good morning. Okay, yesterday was almost, again, like a wild ride on Nasdaq. Was really something. Apex extended. Yeah, I know. I heard. I mean, I was reading about it on Discord. They extended the sale until tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, 11:59 p.m. Miran, good morning. How's it going, Miran? Let me check something here real quick. Let me check something real quick. Just a second. So what a wild ride it was. Oh, dude, I have forgot to. I'm gonna send you a message, Miran, with the course. It's a 50-minute long, but you must get it because your lifetime. Oh, fine. For 7 more days. I thought only for until Thursday. Let me check it. Announcements. No. Promotion. Okay, sorry. Yeah, until the 11th. Okay, until the 11th. Wow. Good morning from Nigeria. Hey, Alicia, good to see you. How is everybody? They also extended 85 fee for the 250Ks. It was already on the 15th, right? Did they extend the 15th of June? I can't trade on prop firms here. Just watch. Oh, not even one single prop firm. Maybe you should try Forex prop firms, maybe. For example, Funded Next, some of them based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. They should not be having any kind of restrictions, although they are not futures. But maybe you should be able to trade with Forex prop firms. Funded Next, I'm not saying they are the all top, but they are pretty much well established in Dubai, and as far as I've heard, they don't have that many restrictions because the Dubai authorities basically let them do anything, but it's a Forex prop firm. So somebody told me that where he was living in some Eastern country, and they let him open an account with them. Anyway, not sure. What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Any good trades happening? Oh, by the way, don't forget the giveaway started again today or yesterday. I don't know. It's up until next week, so you can enter the giveaway. It's in the pinned message. Very simple tasks to do. You just have to, as we did it before, register with email and name. You can collect some points by doing some very simple tasks and increase your chances on winning a 50K evaluation account. Haven't decided which one yet. Could be a TOPSTEP, could be MyFundedFutures. I don't want to mess you with the small ones, but it should be at least $50 or more. Worst case scenario. So we could be going for maybe a starter account at MyFundedFutures or a TOPSTEP combine, something like that. All right, let me check it. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, yeah. I just checked on their Discord on the announcements tab. Yeah. Yeah. Until the 15th. So they extended it. Thank you, Crypto Panda. Thank you. Okay. Good news. Good news, I guess. So July. What? July? Jesus Christ, July. Okay, guys, then I guess you have plenty of time to pass the 250k. I guess I have to buy a few 250ks as well, because I think I can manage by July, the mid-July, for the $85 discount. Yeah. I'm just checking it. I'm just checking it, Crypto Panda. I'm just checking the screenshot. All right. So until the mid-July, I wonder what BULENOX is gonna answer to this. I wonder what are they gonna say to this. So don't forget it, giveaway going on. Check the pin message and you can enter the giveaway. Super simple. Super simple. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, I made a few $100 on the funded accounts, so yesterday was quite alright. Not really the way I anticipated everything, but I did manage to make a few, a little bit of a skin on this drop, but I did not wait for this, so I wasn't here at the computer. Although it dropped quite nicely, most likely after the lunch hour. Or during the lunch hour, sorry. What a drop. And then go back up. Wow. The only thing I was feeling a little bit of a FOMO about is that there was an entry on the 5-minute. It was lining up with my entry criteria very nicely. Is this trade, and I didn't take this. So I started chasing it after it started to drop. So I jumped in somewhere around here to chase it down there, and I did make a little bit of profit there, but I should have entered up there. The thing is that the 10 a.m. news candle was a little bit tricky. I did not have the balls to enter a short, and after that I thought that these candles are just gonna go higher. So anyway, I messed up. But today, what do we have? Hit the like button, thank you. Yeah, hit the like button and subscribe. We're getting closer to 2,200 subscribers. Awesome, super awesome. So, it seems like there is a fair value gap right here. Asia low has been technically poked into. What else? What else is there? There's still a daily fair value gap. Let's check the daily chart. What's happening on the daily? Look at that. This long wick candle from Friday perfectly repriced these areas here. Now we are still left with this fair value gap up there, and we have a candle with a flat top, which is also very tempting to be repriced. This is actually a bearish order block on the daily. We could be going back to 791 to reprice that area. Could be. to Mad Scalper. I see Apex approved all the YouTubers' payouts very quickly this time. They were not making that mistake again. Yeah, I guess so. I guess they need the reputation. Well, this is how it works, you know. This is the industry standard. All right. Only the YouTubers. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. All you have to do is just do a few streams or record your trades. You will be approved. That's like a ironclad guarantee. I have to check on Alpine. How's he doing? Okay. So poked lower. Should be going higher. Yeah. 640. Hard to tell. Even if I check the 15-minute consolidation since the PM session, which means we could be seeing some movements. This consolidation is taking for too long now. Maybe it should start to go for previous day high or reprice lower. Hopefully. Hopefully. Okay. Otherwise, everything is quiet. I haven't even started up my quant tower. Let's start up quant tower. Also, Apex said Rithmic issue wasn't fixed on Sunday. Oh yeah, I was reading that on their Discord. I was reading that they are splitting the data amongst more servers, but it has not been updated properly on Sunday. Hopefully they will do it soon. Rithmic was horrible again. Oh, today. They had to reset all accounts again. That's not good. Should be fixing all these issues. They should be fixing all this permanently. Oracle, hey there. How's it going? Good to see you. I tried to pass 8 evals yesterday at the open and failed. Lost them all? No, come on, Crypto Panda, come on. Well, the good news is it's still cheap. We can still try. Only traded power hour and finished green. Oh, that was a nice run. That was a nice run. Look at that. I mean, from 3 p.m. 6-1. Wow. Nice. In the last hour. Nice run. Yo, Jeff. Good morning. Everything's fine. Éles számlát? Mármint, hogy fundedet, vagy élest? Még nem csináltam élest. Lehet, hogy az kéne. Tegnap beszéltem, igen. It was not ridiculous, it was my fault. But just check the balance on those evals. Okay. DM, hey, today I was around $700 down per account. Oh, on 5 PA accounts. Then because of the Rithmic issue, they reset the balance. If I didn't face the issue, so happy. Oh. You know, at least they did something. A lot of big news next week. To YOLO 250k accounts for 16. Yeah. Apex in their latest video said, you make 2k a day, you're a scammer. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's hard. You make 2k a day, you're a scammer. Wow. PA. Semmi különös nem történt. Apexnek volt egy-két technikai problémája. Igen, múlt héten előttem egy PA számlát, egy Apexet, egy fundedet. Igen. I lost 2k on my PA and also lost SOP. Everybody in my Discord makes 2k a day. Oh, that's, I mean, how could they say that? Dude. Why are they saying that? Well, what can we do? Van egy valami auto liquidation threshold. Fú, nem tudom a nevét fejből. Most ne kérdezd, majd megnézem, de ott van benne. Ott van valahol kiírva. Nem tudom fejből. Most nem tudok kilépni, mert akkor a Quant Tower lép ki, de ott van. Quant Towerba is látható. So, there is an if any one of you guys are using Quant Tower, there is, Joseph was asking, where can we track where is the auto liquidation threshold? And if you see your balance in Quant Tower, there is your balance up there, and if you go down, there is the auto liquidate threshold value, which is here. At this current account, it's 48,575. You can check it with Quant Tower. Igen. Igen, József. Persze. Hello, no. How's it going, everyone? I was saying, was more if you made 2k a day breaking the rules, you have to make 2k a day for next 10 days to keep those funds or start PA over. Oh. Well, what if somebody has a good day? Because there is the factor, like, you're just having a good day in trading. Now that is something that can happen by chance. That you get a little bit of lucky, you nail your entry to the tip, to the point, and you just make a wonderful, beautiful trade. An A+++ 10-point trade. I mean, 10 out of 10 trade. What if you have a day like that? That's a problem. I don't like that, because hopefully everybody should be having days like that during trading. So if you have a super awesome day, that could not be the reason to make the same kind of results on the rest of the days. Anyway. I don't think that's a specific rule. That was just an example. If somebody is making 2K a day and the rest of the days are just flipping micros, I guess that's an issue. Okay, so you make 2Ks breaking rules. Okay. Yeah. Is the average. Apex reset my eval accounts to the previous day. Yeah, they did that. I was reading about that. Az nagyon jó, József, az nagyon jó. Good morning, David. What if you keep runner on 1 minute 2K is possible? Yeah, if you keep a runner, I guess the thing that they can do, if you having a runner, they can check that actually if you managed your risk properly and you had a runner, that should be okay. If you had a runner, I guess they are checking if somebody was YOLOing for only a few points with maximum contract size or something. But if you have a runner with proper contract size, with proper risk management, I think it should not be an issue. I think what they were trying to say is that, for example, on 150K or whatever, you go in with 10 contracts or 15 contracts for a few points. That could be an issue. And you're not doing the same thing on the rest of the trading days. I don't know, man. I'm just guessing, but something like that. Yeah, so even give you the possibility, if you have to pick up an account and start over, can get more fair than that. Yeah. He said if you were making 2K a day breaking rules and you know you cannot replicate that without breaking the rules, he didn't say it's not possible making 2K. Yeah, I guess they want to see consistency in a way. But I guess it's hard to replicate. Yes, it's definitely hard to replicate that kind of trade. By the way, what news we have today? I think not much. 8:30 CPI, Swiss CPI, and JOLTS job openings at 10 a.m. today. Interesting. Okay, so what do we have on the 5 minutes / 1 hour? We're in this 1 hour fair value gap here. 584 could be going down lower. By the way, that's a good question now. How can Apex say 2K is scamming when they have a 1 day pass eval? Yeah. Yeah, that's a little bit of a, you know, interesting. That's interesting. I'm reading directly of the presentation slide. All right. If they want to see you can make the same money following the rules, that's it. Yeah. How does a losing day affect us on the funded accounts? They don't say to have 10 winning days. Have an influence on the 30%. Well, the 30% rule is actually like your best day cannot be greater than 30% of your overall profits in that trading period. I guess. Basically, that's it. So worst day, well, I don't know, but I guess the worst day is putting down your average. I have to make a few examples on that and see how it looks like, to visualize it, you know. Your payout is still pending. Oh, did you guys fill the Apex survey? Some of the questions are so bad, like the answer choices systematically force you to answer. I haven't. I did not fill out the survey yet. 5K using. If you make 5K, you can't request a payout until you make 16, 17K. Yes, that's it. Something like that. So you can make 5K, but then you have to continue trading until you make that kind of money or profit, sorry. To average it out. By the way, survey reminds me, we do have a giveaway. It's in the pinned message. Go check it out, earn some points. So 50K evaluation account, which should be at least a $50 prize, will be good for TOPSTEP, or I'm going to add to it for MyFundedFutures, or we can multiply a few Apex accounts, but you know, it could be at MyFundedFutures or maybe TOPSTEP, or maybe, I don't know. But if you want to participate, the giveaway form is there in the pinned message. Go check it out. NQ is diving, just got 500. Nice Kenny trades. Well, on the 5-minute there is no entry. Clearly we are repricing the PM session. On the 15-minute there is nothing special here, although the 15-minute did shift structure here, so could be or should be going up. Not worth it. Stay always under the 30% of the threshold, and you are fine. 50K account, $780 a day drawdown threshold. Yeah. Anyway, I think this consistency rule is mostly confusing for some traders who are actually, I mean, not in a bad way, but who are actually aiming to go for daily few $1,000s profit, which is absolutely great. But if you can't really make it every day, then you have to watch out for that consistency rule. Maybe continue to trade on a different account if you made some good profit. Anyway, I'm sticking with TOPSTEP and BULENOX. BULENOX has been a very good customer. Yeah, BULENOX has good customer service. They were always helpful. I wonder if they also extend the sale, because they pretty much want to compete with Apex, and anytime Apex did some extension on their sale, then BULENOX followed them. So I wonder if they do that now. Let me check the coupons. It says it's still expired yesterday. No extension on the 90% sale. The coupons are expired as far as I can see. Although it says 90%, but it's expired. I have an issue. Yesterday I lost 5 evals. As soon as that happened, I canceled them and removed them from Rithmic and showing at Apex website at 50k balance, but gone from any advice? Well, I had the same thing. They will be removed. They will be removed. It just sometimes it took me like a few days or even weeks until they disappeared from my dashboard. Hi Mountain Trader, consistency rule should be on eval to prove you can trade, but on a funded you want to let your winners run. I don't want to be penalized for catching a big move. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Very good point. Hi Mountain Trader. That is a very, very, very good point. Actually, excellent point. Oh, nice, Peter. You made 500 on this dump. Let's effing go. Come on. Nice job. I had no entry. I'm waiting for this one to reprice. And maybe looking for some longs. Otherwise, well, there is a fair value gap on the hourly, which I'm going to point out here. Let me put it here. Oops. 1 hour fair value gap. Waiting for it. To get taken. Digital, hey, I think Apex attracts a more scalping approach to the market. Maybe. But then again, if they want to attract scalpers, that's a good point. Maybe they do. They should be letting people at least, you know, DCAing those scalpers. Because many scalpers use that kind of method. Exactly, that's their goal. It's a fun game. Yeah. Never forget, they have a business model too. Prop firms make money from failed accounts. Let it be just evaluation or funded, whatever. They make money from activation fees and evaluation account fees. That's their business model. And the biggest business model is the activation fee. Especially the cheap upfront cost prop firms like BULENOX, Apex. You know, it's easy to get funded if you YOLO the accounts and then you pay the activation fee. That's where they make the big bucks. Of course, we're gonna blow the account and the circle starts again. I passed 2 funded Apex challenge, but I only want start. Alright, and analyze first. What? When I take number 2. I passed 2 funded Apex challenge, but I only want to start on the end of lies first. 1. I take number 2. Is it possible? I don't understand. But I guess it's possible. If you want to trade on 1, activate 1 and wait for the second. Maybe that's what you're saying. Now they have sports betting prop firms. they do? They have sports betting prop firms. Oh my god. What is that? Is that a thing? Is that really a thing? Interesting. Anyway, so far it's lose, not lies. Lies, lose. Okay, but I only want to start on one. If I lose the first one, I think, yeah, of course it's possible. Okay. Yeah, sorry, John. Of course. Getting very okay. The sports betting prop firm. Jesus. I guess there's a market for everyone. Actually, it's a good thing. We should welcome it. We should welcome that. No, they don't. No, digital. They are not copying traders who are profitable. That's a legend or a myth, or that is fairy tale, fairy dust. You know, fairy dust, fairy tale, legend. They're not copying anyone. Why would they do that? They make way more money from failed accounts. Why would they risk copying someone who might actually have a bad day on any given day and they're gonna lose a lot? Even a very good trader, a super pro trader who is actually very good, can be having a bad day. Why would they risk it? They're not going to risk that. The funded sports trader. Okay. There's a company also that for 1,500 less you use their backend to start a sports bet prop firm with white labels, so they are popping up everywhere. Wow. Just googled it. Would you say no prop? No prop firm. I say like 99% of prop firms are not copying their best traders. If that's what you're asking, why would they do that? It's absolutely it's extra risk for them to copy the best traders. They have other models to generate income. They don't need to copy their traders. Prop firm, wow. Oh, I get it. Okay. They're not prop firms either. Okay. The funded sports trader, Jesus Christ. Well, we should establish a new prop firm. It's really a thing. Oh my god. Oh, it's really a thing. Okay, I'm gonna start a sports prop firm. They are virtual funding firms. Some traders get copied, but maybe JX. Yeah, maybe. Good morning, everyone. Mary. Prop firms are what? Shwana, SMB, Trillium. So what I think is maybe like 1% or even less are copying some of their traders, but they're not. I'm signing up now, 149 for 5,000. Nice. I think less than 5% of their traders. Okay. So we get paid from the ones that consider exactly digital. Exactly. That's where we get the money. Exactly. Exactly. More like 0.001. Okay. Euro Cup and Copa America in next week's. I have absolutely no freaking idea how sports betting works. So that is a prop firm. Okay. If anyone else having issues with Rithmic, I have not been able to trade since last Tuesday. Yes, there was many Rithmic issues in the past couple of days. They said they're fixing it. If it's not working on your end, you can try to restart your platform or Rithmic. But you know, I was able to trade with BULENOX and MyFundedFutures, so I had no issue on those prop firms. The issue came on Apex on my end mostly. So annoyed. I think it's because there's such a huge input of new demo account openings, new users, that they just couldn't handle the traffic. Basically, that's what they said in their video. There's so many new account creations that the server could not handle the data that fast. And I can believe that, actually. That the servers were too slow. And the last announcement, they said that Rithmic is working on the issue to add more servers so they can handle the information, the data. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. With other prop firms, my Rithmic connection was okay. I guess it's because Apex is having so many new registrations, or had in the past couple of days. A guy got VIP access at MyFunded. Do you know what is that? I don't know. I don't know what is VIP access. Rithmic is adding more servers, but also Apex goes over on the data you use on your chart. So maybe 30 days is not needed. Maybe. Why would their registrations increase based on news on they're not paying out? I think they're still increasing because they were offering very cheap upfront cost. You know, it's not happened basically yesterday. It started a week ago, or more than that, when they lowered down the sale to that 90%, and then Rithmic started to freeze off on their end. So trading NQ 2 days, maybe enough. Yeah. Spy Girl, good morning. Greetings. Yes, by the way, Apex did pay out people. Even yesterday, I noticed a guy who I know got the payout, and last week, a friend of mine who lives in my country got paid, and he's like playing big balls with minis, and he got payout from Apex. So I mean, got approved, and anyway, so they are paying, doing okay. No trades. I was waiting for to sweep this liquidity on this 5-minute/15-minute gap, which it did, and now I'm waiting for a reversal to go higher to the daily. But I don't see anything. So waiting for that reversal, but it's not happening yet. Oh, thank you, Crypto Panda. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, thank you. Awesome, awesome. You're awesome. Passed 250k yesterday, scalping 15 tickets and time. Nice, JX. Are you expecting the reversal? What level? Well, if I go to the 15, well, I'm not saying there's gonna be a reversal, but if there is one, or could be one, I would expect it to happen somewhere in this gap. And right now we are trading through this gap on the 15-minute. So there might not be a reversal. And next sell side, based on this, could be down there. Look at that, sell side liquidity at 526 below the swing low. So if there's not going to be any reversal, of course there's another one at 65. If it's not going to reverse in this gap and it forms the structure here at 570s, 80s, and breaks lower, then definitely going for the 526. And but there's no structure building up here. I would like to see, for example, like something like this, a little bit of a structure, and then boom, go higher. But it's not happening. It's just not. So could be the opposite thing, like it could be going consolidation and then boom, you know, goes down. That's why I just like to see this consolidate a little bit as we approach London session. I mean the open, sorry. Okay, now we'll be holding on to it. How many contracts at the time? Do you use do you trade? Yes, I trade digital. Yes, I trade the US Open. I'm here every day, so subscribe and join. And by the way, if someone's just dropping in, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go to the 2200 subscribers. And also there's a giveaway in the pinned message. Go check it out. You can earn some points if you register by simple tasks, so don't forget that too. And it's going to be more than likely a TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures account, or you know, if we can do like multiple Apex accounts for one winner in that price range, you know. Anyway, if you want to participate in the giveaway, which is going to happen in a few days, and I'm not super rich, I cannot do it every day, but the winner is going to be announced on live stream. But don't worry, if you're not here on the stream, you're going to get an email, and I'm going to do a shout out on Twitter. So the winner is going to get the prize. We're going to pick the winner live stream. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. All right, all right. And you can earn points. That's why I like this application. Helps with my online marketing, you know, and you can earn points for giveaways. All right. So there's no update on BULENOX codes. I wonder if they're going to extend the sale as well. But unfortunately, although it says 90% with BULENOX, I think the code has expired. So okay, so 5 to 10 contracts, 3 to 5 on PA. That's still like, you have the balls. Point of control was 576. Yeah, we could be going lower here. That's why I'm waiting for some kind of a structure to form here, and then maybe we'll see something happening. That way be pushing it. NQ might go lower. Yeah, it could go lower. That's why I'm saying we have some nice sell side targets. So we'll see what kind of structure is it going to form. London is about to open soon. May trade 1 to 2 only on NQ as my stats. Okay, well that's good too. You know, 1 to 2 contracts. So it's the waiting game, guys. It's the waiting game. We are waiting. I have no intention of getting banned denied by Apex, and with the Rithmic issues in general, it can be a bit hairy. Yeah. Peter, good morning. What's going on? Guys, it's slow. It's a slow London session for now. There was some news, some Swiss CPI. Was it? There was. Yeah. As expected, nothing. Spanish unemployment change. So maybe in a few minutes with the London Open, with the Spanish news, could be a little bit of movement, not too much. So let's wait for it. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Waiting and waiting. Anna, good morning. Again, how you doing? How's it going? You would think with the amount of traffic they created, they would be ready. 1 p.m. 6 was that can't be traded on. Yeah, so they should have prepared for this much better. Yes, the Apex is extending it again until next week, which is 11th, I guess. 11th is next Tuesday. Wow. Yeah. 90% off. It never ends. As on Rithmic, Apex owns no servers. That's true. I mean, definitely a lot of data is coming from Apex side. So I'm not a tech guru, but definitely a lot of data is coming from Apex side, especially that they lowered their, I mean, they're doing the 90% sale. And those servers that I'm guessing are dedicated to Apex prop firm cannot handle that much traffic and information and, you know, sorting out the data for trading on the evaluation accounts. So that's why they said yesterday that Rithmic should be adding, and they are adding more servers to handle their data. So, oh yeah, that's understandable, Mary. But you know, if they fix it, for example, this week, it should be all right. Actually, I think it will be all right this week. They already know that it's a very, very serious issue that they have to come over. But it's mostly because of too many data. This might be fine. Okay. Yeah. Just check it and see how many days you have left. They should be making the adjustments shortly, but anyway, market opened. London is open, ready for business. Doesn't really look like it wants to you know, do anything. I'm happy with the Apex Rithmic issue because most of the time I lose. You know, that's the good thing to it. That's the good thing. So guys, don't forget, push the like button and subscribe. Help out the stream, it's free to do. And don't forget to sign up for the giveaway. It's very simple. Check out the pinned message, earn some points by completing some very simple tasks. And that's it. By the way, everybody's sleeping on it again, but MyFundedFutures expert account basically has like everything that everybody needs. So I mean, so with MyFundedFutures, there is no consistency rule, no payout cap, no restrictions, no activation fee, which is built in the price, of course, no daily drawdown limit, no scaling of contracts, end of day trailing. What do you want? What else do you want? All the freedom, basically. And they allow not solely the DCA strategy. So if DCA strategy is your sole strategy, that is one thing they don't allow, but you can add to your losing trades in a normal behavior, quote unquote normal behavior, as long as you have your risk management under control and you have proper price targets. So anyway, now look at this drop. Okay, we could be seeing it going lower, but where? There's one swing low at 65. No entry. So you have time until the 17th. So if they fix it in a few days, maybe you can wait for it. I have not been paid. I was funded, but I blown my account, unfortunately, like 2 weeks ago. I blown my funded account. Did not reach the payout. It's a bummer. I know people who got paid out, but I heard 2 guys that has been denied for payout. One was using multiple accounts, and the other one was not. He was going in full size, all contracts for news the other day, and then he was leaving the account not touched, not even flipping with 1 micro for 2 weeks, waiting for the payout, and he got denied. And other guy, there was also 2 or 3 other guys with similar issues, but yeah. Trades by Matt wasn't paid out. Oh, by MyFundedFutures, right? I think it was. I heard about some. I think I heard something about that because he was going for like only a few ticks. Yeah. Apex. Over 50Ks. Yeah. Anyway, these issues can happen. All the freedom. Well, I'm saying all the freedom, like no withdrawal. I mean, no cap, no consistency. Yeah, that's true. Not all the freedom, because you cannot go for a few ticks. But I would answer with a question. Would you do the same kind of trading with your live money? No, you would not. So most of these traders are basically trying to play the system, because they only have to invest like $100 or whatever to get funded, and then they just, you know, have some algorithmic entries, going for a few ticks with full port, and of course, or not full port, but no stop loss. Something. Anyway, it's a long conversation. We could be talking about it for days, but I guess those kind of trading behavior would not be happening on their personal live account. They would not be trading like that on their personal live futures account. I'm being very nice to Apex. Yeah. They're all the same. Use them all. Sure, many people who did not get paid that did not scam. Exactly. Traced by my husband because he dollar cost average once before the changes were even announced. Oh, I mean, if they would be a good sport, they should have paid him out, though. That's true. Before, I mean, it happened before they announced it, so. That's true. Yes, I'm not arguing. I'm respectful. I'm absolutely agree what you say. Why can't you? Of course. Yeah. Of course. I understand. I understand. I guess we have to, you know, we have to decide which path to take. What kind of trading style do we want to go with? That's it. That's true, SP. That's very true. The system, and not just from one specific prop firm. So when prop firms are saying that we let you do this, we let you do that, or they lowering the prices super cheap, it actually invites that kind of behavior. Even on your subconscious, you know, because you pay the evaluation fee, and it invites bad behavior, bad habits if you're not controlling yourself. Because you're just going to buy, like I did, and many other YouTubers, traders, whoever, were buying cheap accounts or even not cheap accounts and trying to YOLO it because we say, all right, it's just a portion of an investment and it should be fine. Although it should be taken more seriously, but since it's only a prop firm, we consider it gambling. I mean, pure gambling. Anyway. So Apex is not paying when you go only for a few ticks. I'm not saying that. Depending on your overall stats and strategy, Apex shouldn't allow you to do it in your evaluation if you can't do it in your PA. That's also a good point, SP. If you can't do it on your PA, then have the same rules on your evaluation account. So, you know. That's actually a good point. If they don't let you to do certain stuff in your funded account, then let the same rules on the evaluation account, and there you go. Right? By the way, I'm still waiting for some kind of a structure shift on Nasdaq, but it's not happening, so that's why I'm talking that much. Stupid things. I mean, from my end. Yeah, hey, sign up for 20 accounts for 15 bucks. Pass on YOLO. Yeah, exactly. That kind of behavior is, I agree with you, SP. I agree. Yeah, I agree. He deserved to be denied. He adjusted, followed the rules, and got his 40K today. Even, wow. Got approved today. Patrick Whelan got approved? Wow. I guess it's true. YouTubers got approves. YouTubers can do anything. Guys, everybody must be a YouTuber in the prop space. YouTubers get approvals. Now we know that. That's actually true. Hold on, now they are telling you how many ticks to take. No, they're not. Basically, you just have to have a constant strategy. They were not being paid out before seem like public relations. Yeah. I was like, look, even our spokesman Didn't get paid. Yeah, feels like that. It sucks. Only YouTubers are getting approved. Yeah, YouTubers are getting approved faster. Yeah, I want to be cleaner on that too. Apex is now becoming confusing because then you go for small ticks gambling. Yeah. So how many ticks do you have to take? Yeah, I think on Nasdaq you have to go for like 15 to 20 ticks. Ticks, not points. Look, I have a way to trade and it works for me. There you go. That's all there need to be. 75 pounds. There you go. It's smart business to approve the affiliates. Yeah. All right, look at this. We could be going for the swing low at 26. That would be a possible target. I guess I have to wait a little bit more. You are lucky as a YouTuber. I'm gonna get approved faster when I get there in this life, hopefully. Guys, there's always going to be I feel like there's always going to be confusion, and not just with Apex. Not just with Apex. I think there's always going to be confusion in this industry about what trades can you do, what can't you do, and because of these prop firms are making a business on failed accounts, their intentions are mainly always going to be to protect their capital, which they earned by failed people, from failed people, traders. YouTuber, can you request my payout? Maybe that way I can try that, Crypto Panda. I can try that. Send me your details and you know. All right. Maybe. No, they're gonna ban me because they think I have multiple accounts then. Look at this drop. It's a nice shift, but if it closes above this 82, then it's not going to be good. So the first possible entry would still be at 3:20 a.m. So we have to wait for the next 5-minute candle. Long at 570. Wish me luck. Good luck. All the luck, SP. All the luck. Anyway, all we can do is try to trade a proper risk management system, hope for the best, and that's it. It's moving. I was short on gold. 23.71. Now it's okay. Nice. Congratulations on the gold. Yeah, look at that. It's going. It's going. It's Biz 101. Put everything in growth. Tightened budget. Yeah, rules for prop firms to increase margin. They are here to make money of us. It's our job to beat them in the game. Well said, High Mountain Trader, well said. Traders against prop firms, it's our job to beat them with their rules or against their rules, I guess. Again, if you're a good trader, or if you're aiming to be a good trader with good risk management, you will make it. So these rules are not impossible rules, just saying. These are not impossible things to go by. You know, whichever prop firm we're talking about. These are not impossible rules. Actually, these are very, very possible rules. The main problem with most of the traders who are aiming for big payouts is the risk management style, which these prop firms are starting to see that in a certain point, yes, I understand them. There's definitely quite a few quote-unquote traders who are, you know, using all kind of algorithms, bots, whatever, with high frequency trading to push the balance higher and, you know, try to abuse the system with high commission size, high contract size. But last week, Apex showed like those 2 or 3 accounts that has been traded with algos or bots. So there was a 50K PA account that went up to 200K funded. From 50K to 200K funded account, PA account. And then on April 18, when the huge drop was on Nasdaq, I think that's what he mentioned. On the 18th of April, those kind of accounts went down to absolute negative. They have been blown up totally. What does that tell you? That tells you that that account was solely managed by a software, by a bot with no stop loss. Most likely, if there were a human behind that, I wouldn't let my 200K account go down to 0 and blow the whole thing. Why would I do that? Even, you know, a human is not pushing up a 50K account in a few weeks to 200K by not taking any payout. So that is absolutely, that was something I'll go. Everyone blowing up hundreds of accounts using DCA and still begging to be able to use it. Yeah. And I agree with Apex in this case, and not just Apex, any prop firm that is talking about DCA. Yes, with DCAing, you can make profit at least maybe 9 out of 10 trades. I agree. But that one particular trade, the 1 out of 10, is going to wipe you out, is going to hand over your ass to you. That one trade, when the market is not going to turn around to your direction, is going to wipe you out. But yes, 9 trades out of 10 could be successful. Okay, so I've come to this conclusion here on this 5-minute that we have a small fair value gap. I wonder if it's going to get repriced or not. For now, what I see, okay, it's going to get repriced, never mind. For now, what I see on this, there is a continuation, there's a shift lower with this previous 5-minute candle. We have a beautiful sell side at 526. Looks amazing. What if how many contracts is this? 3, 2. I could take this if I want to, right? Right, I put a sell limit at, what's the high? 86. I put it to 85.50. I'm still waiting if I'm gonna get tagged into this or not. Again, don't forget, we have a giveaway going on. In the pin message, you can subscribe and participate in the giveaway. It's going to be a 50K valuation account from maybe MyFundedFutures or TOPSTEP, or we'll see. Anyway, there's a link. Go check it out if you would like to. Enter, earn some points. So what is the best from all the funded accounts in your experience about rules and payouts and all? I think if I look at all the rules and small details, I think the best offer out there, and including the payout policy too, it's with MyFundedFutures. Yes. That's what I think. I know it's expensive. I know. It's super expensive. It's not expensive actually if you look at it. But in terms of small details, included the small details, MyFundedFutures is my favorite. Although I'm having the hardest time to get the payout with MyFundedFutures. I think it's Murphy's Law. I want to prove so hard that I can reach payouts with MyFundedFutures, and yet I keep blowing up my funded accounts. But that's my choice. Take Profit Trader is very good. I like them too. They're awesome. The payout policy is the best payout. The payout policy is the best with Take Profit Trader. That's true. What I think. The only thing that is a bad thing, but still I think it's a good prop firm, is if you break the daily loss limit, you blown the evaluation and the funded account too. That's a hard break, and it's not going to put you out automatically. So if you break the daily limit, you're finished. You're done. That's it. What attracts you the most? What attracts me with MyFundedFutures is on the starter account, the micro to mini conversion. The end of day trailing is definitely an extra. No daily loss limit on the starter account as well. Support is great, and I like how, I know everybody has different opinions about their CEO, Matt Leach, but the way he talks about prop firms and the future of the prop firms industry, so he has respect for the business. He wants to make money, of course, with MyFundedFutures as a CEO, but he has respect for the business, and I feel like, I was listening to his Twitter Spaces and stuff, and I feel like he wants to do this in the long run. He wants to stay in this business, not like the Dungeons and Dragons kids, or not like some others who were actually not doing. So I think MyFundedFutures, also MyFundedFX, but MyFundedFutures is managing risk in a good way. I mean, they want to stay on their feet for the long run. They're not, I mean, I have no evidence, of course, but I'm hoping, and I'm seeing so far about what they're saying, they don't want to spend their cash reserves on Lambos and yachts and stuff like that. They want to survive to be one of their most respectful prop firms. I like what they see in the future. I like their vision. The dashboard is, by the way, far the best in the whole industry. Their dashboard, I think. Of course, it's nothing. I know, but expert account is definitely good if you're more experienced. By not having the consistency rule never really interested me, because I'm not trading that big size, so I don't care about consistency rule at all. Anyway, I got tagged into the trade. Let me go over here and show it to you guys. So here's my trade. Okay. Unfortunately, it goes against me. I'm gonna OCO it. Let's connect it together. This is based on a 5-minute chart. I personally think it's TOPSTEP. Good price, good payout. Yeah, TOPSTEP is great. Absolutely. TOPSTEP is awesome. I had my payouts with TOPSTEP, so that's why I will always respect them. Take Profit Trader is good, as I said, for Elite. Just watch out for the daily loss limit. That's the only thing. If MyFundedFutures did a sale, they would get a ton of signups. Yes, JX, what they did in April, they absolutely killed the market with the starter account. The $50 sign-up fee with the starter account, they were killing the competition, by the way, just saying. It seems smart that one of the YouTubers captured my email on a giveaway, and now they send out their affiliate link every time there's an Apex sale. It seems smart that one of the YouTubers captured my email. Oh, I mean, of course, because I'm an affiliate, yes. Not just with an Apex sale, Sorel. We did it like for a few weeks during the MyFundedFutures sale, during other sales. So I used to do this. The only cash that daily loss limit become trailing after funded. Yes, but it's going to lock in with Take Profit Trader. It locks in. So that's something you can overcome with Take Profit Trader. Yeah. Matt is a child. It needs to. Matt is cool. Why most people are with Apex? Because of the cheap upfront cost. That's the short answer. That's why most people are with Apex, because of the cheap. You know, basically you can join. You can start to trade with a prop firm for one of the cheapest prices. That's why. No, they're not better affiliate. They just have cheaper prices. That's why. And you know, cheaper prices affect more traders, and it actually adds up. You know, but it adds up. Okay. Let's see how this is gonna go. What kind of weird things now? What is he doing? He reaches his goal of affiliate and sponsorship income. Never get another dollar from me. 100 lot. Yeah, 100 lot was very clear last week as well about that. 20 accounts and 1 day pass means anyone can be funded instantly, even a monkey. Yeah, so it's attracting people very much. The cheap price is definitely very attractive in the prop firm space. They do like it. Definitely they do like it. Yeah, we have a swing low here at 565. Where is my first time? Maybe I should take partial there. 565. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take partial at 565 and maybe one more down there. Yeah. Down here. Unfortunately, I guess it's gonna turn around. Fighter jets again. Wow. Somebody violated the airspace again. Yeah, that's understandable. Yeah, Spy Girl, that's a good point. I'm short, and I have a stop somewhere at 604-ish area. I'm wondering if we could go down and take out, for example, this swing low. I have a partial TP at, hold on, it's 65. I think I have a partial TP 65.25, but it's gonna go up. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. What a shame. So here's the turn. Here's the turn. What can I do? If I check the 15-minute, well, yeah. Yeah, it should be going into that 606 area. So I thought we're gonna keep on dropping down there, but we're not. We are not. Maybe if it goes to the 15-minute optimal trade entry level, should go up to 611, then it can drop. But I'm almost out. My stop loss is almost triggered. Waited 15 days for a payout, only to be denied for DCA and blue pay in frustration. Oh. No matter which prop firm you use, as long as they are legit. It's more about you. Yes. Yeah, I got taken out. Stop loss. Okay. It's more about you can do and you can, yeah. Stop focusing on props and, yeah, you're trading. Exactly, high mountain trade. Everybody's focusing a lot on prop firms, which is understandable. But again, if you're focusing on proper risk management and, you know, consistency, then there should be no issue. There should be none. So I had the loss here, and this 5-minute just shifted again. Could this be a turn? Maybe. It's hard to say. The daily fair value gap is still up there. Stuck in this area. No clean direction. Now this 5-minute has shifted structure here on this one. So that's a bullish market structure shift right there. Yes, we need to hold here. If 600 holds, then yes, we can keep going up. Oh. Let's see. We need to see this candle finished with the fair value gap. So the VWAP is up there. We have some good targets in premium, Asia highs as well. Let's go. Let's go. Does BULENOX code still valid? Yes, so it says on my end that it's still on, but it expired yesterday. So I guess we have to wait until market open. I guess BULENOX didn't see that Apex extended the sale. I would not be surprised if BULENOX would extend the sale as well. They're pretty much competing against each other. So I'm gonna check it again, but yeah, it's not updated yet. It's expired yesterday, the 90%. I have no code that is valid at this moment. Only one code, a 45% discount, but I guess that's not interested to anyone. But it's good for option 2 accounts too. So I guess we have to wait until New York session, so BULENOX can update these things. Covered your long at 605. Nice, from yesterday. Good job, good job. Guys, if you haven't already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the giveaway. You're welcome, Albert. Wait until New York session. They will be updating the validation of the codes, most likely. That's how they used to do it. They're still sleeping. But it says 90% in the back end, but it's not valid. They need to refresh it. So also check out the giveaway, fill out the form. There's some points to earn if you check out the links. And that's it. So seems like this could be a proper long entry. Very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. This 5-minute candle is going to close. We're going to be left with a fair value gap right here. So possible long setup, actually. If it goes down, low is let's see. Let's see if it's gonna go there. I have a limit order at 600.50 to buy, to go long. Some guys are running YouTube ads for Apex affiliates, which also seems like a great idea. Lots of liquidity, much higher. but I'm too tired to watch. Yeah. Yeah, we also have to wait for this one to be triggered if it goes down. Let me show you. So my entry is there at 600.50. It's not triggered yet. So, and I don't think it will be. It could also be a very crazy and interesting move if, I mean, this is a swing on the 15-minute time frame. What if this move is going to be a continuation to the downside? Look at the 15-minute time frame. Went through on this fair value gap. Now it could be using this gap as an inversion, going back here on the 15 minutes. It could be a strong signal. You put your fib right here. It's at the optimal trade entry level to go short. You know, could be going down. Could be. On the 15-minute, it looks like a nice continuation to the downside with some good targets. Stop loss could be somewhere above 650. Yeah. So if it goes down, then yeah, 567. Interesting. Looks like a V to me. It's, I don't know what to make of this. But it's on the 15-minute optimal trade entry level, and it's also could be utilizing this as an inversion gap to go down, to continue down. Check the 2-hour term, probably going up. Let's check it. I never trade the 2-hour, but yeah, looks bullish. These highs to be taken out. But yeah. Not yet, but it's going there. It's going to the weave up. Again, if this one was trying to shift lower, which it did, well, partially. What if it continues back down to below 567 and then 526? This would be the low risk entry. Yeah, if it's going down, this could be a low risk entry. If it's going down. But I deleted my pending order, by the way. Yeah. Barely see this kind of move in London. But interesting. Nevertheless, it's interesting. But this was a strong move. Bad time. Beautiful wave shape on the 5-minute. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Risk reward would be great for a short, but it's It seems like a tricky one. I don't really trust it right now. So, Isham, good morning. No, you didn't actually. We were not triggered into this long. Actually, I was just saying that it could be a short entry on the 15 minute to continue lower, to go down to 565 and even lower, take those swing lows out. I don't know. This is the decision point, by the way, for both sides. So let's see. Actually, I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to be watching the 15 minute. If it goes higher than 650, let's look at what it does with the VWAP. Bess, good morning. Just inverted the big 15-minute gap. I don't know. Yeah, it's a huge question mark right now. We have actually, we can justify both sides, even the longs or the shorts in this case. We definitely have the Asia highs. We have the daily fair value gap up there. But then again, we have a swing low on the 5-minute, 15-minute. There's an inversion gap on the 15-minute here. Still a 1-hour gap down there. So we have order blocks in both ways. I don't know. And the dollar versus currencies. Didn't check on euro dollar yet, but euro dollar is going down. Dollar is getting stronger against the euro. On the 1 hour, dollar is starting to pick up again, getting stronger. So we'll see. I'm in buy from 600 in break even now. Congratulations. Congratulations. 1200 left with 2 runners. Nice. Everybody's killing it. And I'm just waiting for my entry. 4 hour looks good. We have 11 minutes for, yeah. Got 90 ticks on gold. Guys, everybody is killing the market. You guys are pros. And I already had a loss. Also, it was just an evaluation account, but still. I don't know what it wants to do. Feels like it wants to go higher. And it should be, there is a swing high at 45. I think it's going to go there. It should be. Should be. The force is strong on this one. Oh, yeah. That's a typical move. I see this going to the 40, let's see, 44s, 43s, maybe. 43, yeah, could be. It's very strong. Should be breaking through the weave up and at least take out the 45, but no entry. You've been waiting for this move the whole London session. Frustrated it didn't came back to breaker. Can't chase it now. Yeah, don't chase it. You know, it's dangerous to chase it. Silver and copper. I am not trading silver and copper. I messed up my stop on the morning GC move, so you know, break even is still good. Peter made my daily profit goal 700. Congratulations. 660 target if it gets above VWAP. Should be getting there. If it gets above VWAP, the first thing, it will take out the 45 and higher. Actually, it goes back to the midnight level, to the 50s. Fighter jets, again, flying like crazy. It does feel like it wants to go higher. Okay. Hey Robert, hope you're well. Yesterday I had a catastrophic day. Whoa, what happened? Evening I opened up my to find that I didn't log into Rithmic, therefore no damage. Oh, Robert. At the end, everybody was happy then. All right. That's good news. Look at that, trying to get through the weave up, or it could be like a sharp bounce to the downside. Oh, look, let's look at that. Let's look at the reaction. Fighter jets again. What is happening? Look at that. Approaching the weave up and then losing steam right at the weave up. Let's see if it's gonna hold it or not. On the 15-minute, it still could be a short, but I am nothing. Although it's very close to take out that swing high to complete the move, but I don't know. I don't know. The silver bullet hour is coming to an end. Made 30 points this morning. Nice. Entry 590. Dude, that's a nice entry. Cool. That is absolutely a good one. Absolutely a good one. Nice. And I'm just waiting to decide what to do here. Might try to push one more the VWAP. Don't know. Yeah, all Apex accounts got reset. Maybe that was the thing that you saw on your Rithmic. Okay, just watching paint dry. Nice pullback, 617 re-enter. Apex account got reset as well. You blew it. Well, at least there is some benefit from it. At least there is some benefits to it. I don't know if it's gonna break through the weave up. If it's going to form a structure here on the 5 minute, it could be also good for a possible short. Might try to push it, but don't know. Or it's gonna go down just like now. Okay, okay. So is this the 15-minute drop down to 565? It could be. It looks like it. It looks like it could be. There is. Can it go down back to 600? I wonder. I don't know. I mean, let me check the 5 minute. There is a fair value gap at 600 on the 5. Is it on the 5? Yeah. So this is the 3 minute. I don't know why I'm watching the 3 minute. So the low here is low is 600.25. Okay. So okay, it's the Asian close. All right. Then we'll resume. Could be possible. No shift, nothing. The only thing is I'm curious is if it's going to go down to take the gap here, or, you know, whatevs. Whatever. It's not far, but it could be going up from here. Took this fair value gap, some more liquidity. We'll see, I guess so. But no structure. The 15-minute would be good for a short, technically. But this is just a pullback. I don't know how far it wants to go. Does it want to sweep the 600 or not? A little bit complicated. Is it going to go down or not? It's just a waiting game. Okay, it went down to that 5-minute gap. Seems like this was the 15-minute short move. You like my birds? They're out here. There's a tree next to the window. And they're just singing. Hey, methodical man. The man of the hour is here. The huge celebrity. The man himself. Everybody, please welcome methodical man. Man. AKA Alan. Alan is here. I mean, he's like a superhero because he has the name Methodical Man and his name is Alan. So, you know, almost like Barry Allen, but no. The best couple reunited. We should do like a Justice League or something together, but I don't have a superhero stuff. I only have my penguin suit, so oh, yeah, nice. Oh, yeah, Spy Girl. I saw you on his stream. The man himself. So, I was a chicken by not entering here. And if you look at this on the 15-minute, it was actually like a good possible entry. It went over the OTE, but it was still a good entry. Now, it should be dropping down to 566 at least. At least, but and this was one of Methodical Man's. I mean, this is what he likes, I think. Inversion gap going down. You're Superman. I'm not Super Penguin suit. The penguin suit is better, right? So this was a possible 15-minute entry, which I missed. Also, this 5-minute entry that we outlined here, so it tagged here Could this be could this be going back up there? I'm confused by now. I don't know exactly. Hey, by the way, Methodical Man, I saw the end of your stream yesterday. I felt like I was in the kitchen, and I felt like I heard that. I heard something in my ears. It said like, Sabo box, Sabo box, Sabo box, Sabo box, Sabo box. And then again, the Tom Sabo box, the Sabo box, the Sabo box. And I said, no, it's not possible, no. So like somebody was calling me or something. The Sabo box. And then I checked the end of your stream. Nice long entry there yesterday. Very nice trade you pulled off on that power hour. Oh yeah, it was a nice trade. Damn. Now this is confusing. This is not something I like to enter. So price managed quite a nice way to the upside. Weave up, stopped it, went back down. This is a lower probability entry for me, so that's why I'm not taking it. If I would have an instant reprice, then I would have been taking this, but this is not something I like. So still, I would say the 15-minute bearish scenario is in play at this second, at this moment. I would say the 15-minute bearish scenario is still in play, but I don't know. We turned the Sabo box into support. Yeah. Go gamble for W, exactly. It was an awesome trade. It was a really awesome trade. The way you trailed it, I was like eating popcorn and drinking cola and everything. Not that kind of cola. And I was like, man, this guy is killing it. I voted for Apex new rule yesterday. I didn't do that yet. Can I still do that? I'm gonna check it. Yeah, it is fun. It is fun, although we only did it like two or three times, I think. But we should be doing it. They should be doing it. You know, whatever he does, I would do the opposite. So I don't know. We should be. And I told you we should be forming some kind of a superhero league or something amongst traders. A traders sanctuary, something. I don't know. I don't know. It was quite a few weeks ago. It was like 2 months ago or something. So we should be doing it again. Of course you can be. Of course you can be in our league. By the way, I do have the Winners Club. It's a valid thing. I do have the Winners Club here on YouTube. It's not the same, but what else do we have? Look at this. Oh my god, it's 5 minute. Actually the 15-minute is unreadable to me at this point. Anyway, please guys, if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. Let's push those subs and like the stream if you can. Also, we have a giveaway in the pinned message. Go fill it out. You can earn some points if you visit a few sites and, you know, earn some points with that. And what else? Apex extended the sale. What a surprise. BULENOX 90% coupon code is not valid. I think they're going to refresh it in the New York session. It's expired. And MyFundedFutures 20% off from experts. That was the commercial. It's bizarre. I traded several times with 17p accounts yesterday and lost a little more or less than 1,000 on each account. Just now I logged into Apex and see no loss. They reset it. Albert, they reset it. No, they have reset it to the previous day, end of day. If it was a new account, then it got back to 0, but everything that was in that period has been reset to previous day, end of day stats. So that's how it happened. Yeah. Fortunately, a few people actually got out with a positive note. Their losses have been reset, but all losers deleted. Okay, we should have full ported. Yeah. What's up with videos showing Apex denying payouts like last week? I watched some. Yeah, we cannot do anything about it. I think it's a thing that's going to happen from now on, and not just with Apex. So I'm not surprised. But as basically in a sentence, if you're managing risk properly, you trade with a proper contract size, you're not DCAing, not YOLOing, you're gonna be left alone. That's it. I'm not concerned about it. I was green. That never happens when I'm red. Oh yeah. Guys, we should be going down to that 67 area based on the 15-minute entry, and unfortunately I'm not in the trade, so I'm not in the trade. I did scalp a little bit here and there. So the loss I made previously, which, I mean, this was the account, I got it back, but nothing special. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here. I'll be back in the New York session. I'm not taking any trades because we're getting out from the London session. I have some stuff to do this morning also, so no more trades for me. I reached payout yesterday on MyFundedFutures. Nice, $1,000. Congratulations. Congratulations, Methodical Man. Oh, awesome. Payout with the static account. That is cool. So, guys, again, this is it for me in the London session. I'll be coming back in New York. Thank you so much for watching. Fill out the giveaway form if you would like to participate. I'm going to enjoy some breakfast, yeah. And I have some stuff to do. Be back in New York. And if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes. And see you guys in the New York session. Have an awesome night, morning, evening. And see you guys soon. All right. Cheers, everybody.